friends, myself Nirmal Chaturvedi. I am from the Welltech. I just completed my 4th year here. I did my 3 years from here Electronics and Communication Department, and for 1 year I went to Taiwan as an exchange student to just complete my 7th sem and the project work in the Taiwan. And it was a good opportunity which is provided by the Welltech to explore my knowledge, to learn many new things in the Taiwan, because as I belong to the Electronics and Communication Department, and you know that Taiwan is the big semiconductor hub. Like 90% of the electronics semiconductors are exported from the Taiwan. So it was very good opportunity for us to go to Taiwan, as we can learn many new things. Before here, the thing what we thinking about go to abroad was totally different. After reaching there, the way of talking, the way of living, the way of study, the way of handling other people, it's totally changed. Because when we was here, here what we study is most of the focus on the like theoretical knowledge. But after going to Taiwan, we learn many things practically. The classes, the way of teacher teaching is totally different from the India. So really, I'm so thankful for the Welltech to give me such opportunity to move to the Taiwan, because now I have a different vision that I know if you go to foreign, what you can do different. After when I was here, I was just thinking, complete my graduation, got some job. But after going there, I really totally changed that. Now I know what I have to do. Because here I used to think only limited things. After going to Taiwan, I have some new dreams, and also I have the way how I can just make my dream true. Because if you have open things, people are extremely happy. People are extremely helping. Even the professor, they don't say I'm your professor. They are just very friendly to us. So you will get a homely surrounding. Even you are away from the home, you will not miss your home. And for the Taiwanese food, it's a little bit, I don't say little bit, it's totally different from the India, but you will enjoy the food because they don't eat spices. It's just like a boiled food, and they have a lot of many kind of tea, drink. So you are going to, if you are going there, you are going to enjoy that kind of food, drink, everything. And last semester, I was having some friends from Taiwan to the India. They came to my house, they enjoyed everything. Now they have a different image about the India. They know that Indians are very hospitable. We treat them like our God, as we know, like guest is our God. So if you got some opportunity from the Welltech, because as I know from the Triple D department, our school has very good collaboration with some universities in Germany, France, in China, in Taiwan, Malaysia. So if you got some opportunity, you should not miss it, because once if you go outside, surely you are going to, your future is going to be in different direction. And when you move out of the India, then you will think about all over the globe. Because once if you go outside, the people are not your family people, not your country people, but time by time you will start to be just cooperate with them. They will become your family. As my professor and everyone was very helping there, and I got a job there like automation engineer. It was a part-time job. In that company, our work was to program the robot, but I never saw the robot in my life. When my boss asked, can you program the robot? Then we said, sir, we never did, but we can try. So he saw a lot of confidence inside us. So he said, the robot is there, you can go and start the programming. So in starting, we don't know how to program, but my boss said, don't take it as a burden, just play with the robot. And we started after 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Now I think we can operate 50% of the robot. So this is the way, like the people will treat you like God. They will extremely helping. And also we have a tag that's called Indian. If you are Indian, you will get respect all over the world, because in the world, most of the biggest company, organization, most of the higher position are acquired by the Indians also. Like nowadays, if you go to any big company or organization, most of the top positions are held by the Indians, like CEO of Google, CEO of Microsoft, CEO of MasterCard. So whenever you go to any abroad place, and if you have a good talent, because no one is going to see your mark sheet, whatever mark you score. But if you have some talent, or if you have how to do something different which others cannot do. So if you are Indian, then it's very easy to get job any of the country of the world. So in the last, I want to say you that much, like if you go to Taiwan, because I was in the Taiwan, according to my personal experience, Taiwan have very extremely good universities. Like in top 200, they have more than 5 or 6 universities. They have top companies like TSMC, which used to produce the processor for the Apple and Samsung mobile and chips for those companies, and also the two top brand of the mobile like HTC and Asus. They are also from the Taiwan. So it's a very good time. You can contact the school department for if you want to go to for higher studies to the Taiwan or some other countries. But I can recommend you for Taiwan because I was there. So according to my personal experience, I can say Taiwan is really very nice, beautiful place because they have extremely natural places like crystal clear blue water beaches, blue sky, and also they have Taipei 101, which was like up to 2011 it was the world's largest building having 101 floors. Extremely nice thing because they are technology wise they are way more advanced than India, and everyone doesn't get this kind of chance. So if you got this chance from the WellTech, don't miss it. Just grab the chance and prove yourself. Yes, you are made for this chance, and I hope all the best for your future and hope you will do best on your future. Okay, thank you.